So let me tell you a little bit about CONNX. CONNX has been around since 1989, and we focus really on two major items, data access and data movement. We have data access for over 150 data sources today. We originally started out on the DEC platform for the RMS, for those folks that remember the RMS database, and we expanded from the RMS to the mainframe, to relational databases, to cloud, to big data. So now we encompass 150 different data sources, all sorts of platforms, dozens of platforms. We have customers that are running circa 1970 applications built on Database, for instance, or other data sources that are mainframe-centric that want to have SQL access, that want to be able to write just ANSI SQL against it and get information out. That's what we do. We help companies take all that data sources, take current tools that are ODBC-centric or Java-centric, and we extend those tools. So CONNX gives you ODBC, OLADB, .NET, and Java access out of those data sources in our virtualization technology. Our data movement, our ETL tools, we have two of those. We have DataSync, which is our near real-time tool, and it supports all 150 data sources and allows you to replicate that data from any source to any target that we support, and it gives you change data capture and transformations. There's a transformation engine within it. There's also some integration for those folks that are SSIS customers, so that are SQL Server integration services. We have an add-in right within there where you can actually, instead of bringing up the DataSync GUI, maybe you're used to doing SSIS packages, we'll go ahead and add a menu item into SSIS, and it'll drop down, and you'll have access to all the data sources that we provide, so that are not inherent within SQL Server itself. We extend that to give you access to all of those. We also extend it beyond just the data access to also giving you the ability to do incremental updates rather than doing full loads each time. On our newest tool, our newest ETL tool, Instant DB Sync, that is a real-time solution, and we're just starting out with that. We have a couple of sources, and it goes to any relational target. And that does what we call log mining, or it takes that data real-time from any source to that target. I've been here for 5 years, and when I first joined the company, we were 99% engineering and very focused on a handful of partners. Since joining, we're moved down to about 95% engineering and still focused on empowering our partners. So partners make up a big part of our organization. We don't do a lot of direct sales. We focus on helping our partners and expanding through their channels. We find that partnering with different organizations like Wordscape and other partners, Microsoft, Oracle, we take our products and we enhance the experience customers have with those products. We expand our footprint of CONNX and the data access and the data movement and data virtualization technologies by helping those organizations do more with the data sources and empower their end users to do more. So we were excited with Wordscape for a number of reasons. One, Wordscape is an industry leader in the data warehousing space, and we've always envisioned ourselves as helping people access the data and move the data. Move the data where? Well, data warehouse is a natural place to go. A lot of our customers come from all sorts of, again, of the 150 databases we support everything from the legacy and the old mainframe, non-relational to relational, to the future with cloud and big data sources. And so when people are bringing data from all sorts of different places together, they typically want that for a couple of reasons. They want to consolidate that data, to report off it, to consume that information out of it, and a data warehouse is the natural place for that to be. So Wordscape brings the best of both worlds. They take all of those consolidations, put them into a single location, and allow you to drive value out of it. So we had a Wordscape customer, Red Arrow, and Wordscape brought them to us for a couple of reasons. One, they had a legacy SQL Server environment. So when we think of SQL Server, we don't think of legacy. Well, they're running SQL Server 2000, SQL Server 2005, 2008, 2012, and they're thinking about 2014, while 2016 is down the road as it comes out this year. SQL Server 2000 and 2005 are no longer supported. So there's not many tools out in the marketplace that'll even read that data or access it or move it. And they were very worried about how are we going to we need this information, it's critical, we've got some applications running on it. How do we get that into the data warehouse? Because it's missing, unless it's got that data, and it's missing a big chunk of our business. So we helped them with that. We made them feel comfortable that, hey, we're the legacy experts. Together with Wordscape, we'll connect to that data, we'll move it, we'll preserve those installations so you don't have to worry about them being overtaxed or burnt out or different issues, and we'll move that data to the data warehouse so you can have access to it and let your users consume it and do whatever value they need from it.